The future of education has arrived, powered by artificial intelligence, a 4-level journey that transforms every educator into an AI-powered leader.
By the end of this roadmap, you will teach smarter, lead boldly, and innovate fearlessly. 4 clear objectives. Your transformation begins with a single decision: to start. Level 1 begins here, building your foundation in artificial intelligence. Distinguish AI types, master your first prompts, strong, ethical, academic, and future-ready. Generative AI isn't just for tech, it's built for teachers like you. Automate lesson prep, personalize resources that fit your classroom from day one. Level 2 is where AI becomes your daily teaching partner. Master chain of thought prompting, automate materials that reach every sense at every level. Level 3 is where great educators become true innovators. Build custom AI tutors, reimagine assessments, and predict student success with data. That's the future you're building. At level 4, you don't just use AI, you lead others to master it. Develop AI policies, coach your colleagues, and evaluate leader your institution has been waiting for. This program is designed for every educator ready to lead in the AI era. Teachers, designers, department heads, and academic leaders, all welcomes for you. After this roadmap, everything about how you teach will change for the better. Competency, personalization, data insight, and leadership, all yours. Effective you and a more empowered generation of learners. When educators grow with AI, the entire institution transforms with them. A competitive edge, stronger staff, better outcomes, and full AI readiness. Welcome to AI Ladder Academy, where educators rise to their full potential. Expert curated courses, real-world skills, and a community of AI-forward educators.
You've seen the path: 4 levels, 8 courses, 1 transformative destination. Enroll today, making an AI educator your students deserve.
This course introduction was presented by AI Ladder Academy to give you a glimpse into your learning journey. We've designed this path for your success. Now, let's dive into the first lesson.